Hey there, it's Ben Keeps again with another CloudU video. Today I'm going to talk about an epic battle in the tech world. Is cloud computing a revolution or just an evolution of existing technologies? And I'm not kidding when I say it's an epic battle either. It's kind of like Perseus versus Medusa, only bigger. What do I think? I think the cloud is absolutely a revolution. Not so much because of the way that technology works, but more because of mixing technology with some new business approaches. Before some of the stuff, servers were bored. Each server only did one thing. It was an email server, or maybe a database server, or maybe a web server. Even though there wasn't enough work to keep it really busy, it was too risky to have a server do more than one thing. Then something called virtualization came along, which made it possible for each server to do 10, or 20, or even 50 different things, all at the same time. Servers weren't bored anymore. Then that led to a massive reduction in the cost of computing. And then along came the API, fancy schmancy talk for letting programs essentially create servers. Instead of workers having to move and install physical hardware, a program could automatically tell a cloud provider to create some new virtual servers, kind of like magic. And this is where things start to get interesting. What happens when something gets really cheap, really fast, and really easy? It spreads from the few to the many. And that's where the revolution part comes in. Suddenly everyone has access to computing power that was formerly reserved for only the biggest companies. Now instead of tens of thousands of dollars to test out a new idea, it can cost maybe only a few $100s, maybe even less. If a new idea works, hey, it's easy to expand. If it doesn't, it's okay too. It's easy to move on to the next thing. You don't have to invest a bunch of capital in data centers and hardware. Plus, because cloud computing is provided like a utility from specialized providers, business owners and IT pros have more time to focus on what really matters, solving their customers' problems, not managing servers. When you bring together the power of virtualization as a foundation and add easy access to cutting-edge technology, simple scalability up and down, and increased focus on what matters, then you have a revolution. And that's what we're seeing today with CloudU. To learn more information about how cloud is a revolution, check out CloudU, a totally free, comprehensive cloud education curriculum and certificate program, sponsored by Rackspace. Cheers until next time.